Officers respond to a call involving a man who has become aggressive and is threatening a woman with a brick. When the officers arrive, the man is walking and ignores their requests to stop and drop what he is carrying.
Can we get additional units? Subject is walking away. Come here. Look, it's just the beer, bro. Come here. You don't want to make this worse than it already is. Put the brick down. Put the brick down.
If you're on the ground, drop it. Drop the brick. Drop the brick. Do it now.